So if you're in the market for a new smartwatch that packs a punch but won't break the bank balance, this is the CMF Watch Pro. Brought to you by the same people who bought you the Nothing 1 and Nothing 2 phone, so you know you're in good hands. So it has a 1.9-inch AMOLED display, and you've got this aluminium surround casing, which I think looks really sweet. And it comes with a bunch of these customizable fitness features, you know, like your steps, the weather, your sleep patterns, your stress levels. And it comes with this app so you can customize a bunch of things, so you can go through and look for different dial faces. You can go into each one and pick one that you like. And you can also use their running section, so if you're a runner, you can track and go on your maps. And it also gives you an overview of all of your data, so you can track on your health. And there you can see the sensor at the back of the watch. But what I love about this watch, amongst many things, is how light it is. You know, quite often you find with these smartwatches, they're quite bulky, quite heavy, quite troublesome on your wrist. So go and check it out for yourself. At £70, this is an absolute bargain. When you compare that to your Galaxy watches or your Google watches, it's something to really consider. The CMF Watch Pro, give it a whirl.